Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code in browser. First, make sure you have the required tools installed. You'll need Node.js, a browser like Chrome or Edge, and an automation library such as Playwright or Puppeteer. You can install Playwright by typing npm install Playwright in your terminal. Next, create a new project for your browser automation. Open your terminal, make a folder called browser.pod, navigate to it, and initialize it with npm init-y. Now, use Claude Code to generate your automation script. In the terminal, type Claude create a Playwright script to open Google and search for AI tools. Claude will generate the full browser automation code for you. For example, the script will open a browser window, go to Google, type your search term in the search box, press enter, wait a few seconds, and then close the browser. After that, run the script by typing nodeindex.js. You'll see the browser being controlled automatically. Finally, you can automate real tasks with Claude. For example, the type Claude automate login and data scraping from a website using Playwright. You can automate from filling, logging into accounts, scraping data, clicking buttons, upload files, and more. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.